Hi everyone. I received the Zackees turn signal gloves the other day, and I just figured that it was going to be easier to do a video than try to explain everything, but these are awesome and they're really easy to use. Inside you get the pair of gloves. You also get the charger for the batteries, extra batteries, the charging cord for the charger, and then directions. I wanted to show you exactly why I think these are so cool. Now, they're great for people that ride bikes. I thought they'd be perfect for people that ride motorcycles. Let me show you. First, they have the padding, and they have these pull tabs that help to take the gloves off. And they have the Velcro strip to make sure they're on tightly. And then over here, this is breathable mesh. And then these are the activation plates. This has 54 Luma LED panel, and I think that's shock absorbing in here. Oh, the foam right here, sorry. So, and they're sweat absorbing. So I want to show you what you do with these. And I think they would make so many people so much safer on motorcycles or bicycles. Either one. But now all you do is go like this. I got them on backwards. But it shows the turn signal. Try it again. Here we go. It's a little better. See now all the absorbing padding, extra padding. Okay, so say you want to turn left. You're going to just put these together and your blinker is going to go on. And then all you got to do is take them apart to stop it. But now these are a little bit big for me because I ordered them that way. But they really fit really good. My husband, they fit his hand perfectly, which is what I thought. That's who I was getting them for. But they're so cool, and just anything to make bikers and motorcycle people, anyone riding motorcycles, safer would be nice, because there's just too many accidents just because people say they don't see them. And this gives you just a little bit extra chance to be seen. These are, again, Zackees, and they're on Zackees.com. They're Zackees turn signal gloves. And let your friends know. Thanks.